Hello and welcome to Text Review. Today I will show the step-by-step process to make AI anime story. I hope you will enjoy the video. Stay connected till the end.
So, you really want to learn how to make AI anime story? Anime has captivated audiences worldwide with its vibrant characters, intricate plots, and stunning visuals.
Now, with advancements in AI technology, creators have a new tool at their disposal to unleash their creativity and craft anime stories like never before. In today's digital age, the possibilities are endless, from creating your own unique characters to crafting immersive worlds. AI empowers storytellers to push the boundaries of creativity and bring their visions to life. Our mission today is to explore the step-by-step process of making AI anime stories, from conceptualization to realization.
You will find necessary links in description. Click that link and register with your Google account. You will get 150 credits when registering with my link. Let's start making your story. Firstly, click on Story Studio from left menu and then click on New Story button. Clicked on Help Me Get a Story button. AI will ask, who is your story for? I wrote, kids. Then AI asks, what's your goal by creating this story? I am writing, teach children. You can write whatever you want. Then AI asked, what genre the story should be? You need to select children's story as genre. Then AI will ask, any quick ideas what this story is about? This is most important part. Whatever you input here, your story will depend on this. I wrote make an anime kids story. You can input according to your need, what story you want to make. Then clicked on Generate button. AI will generate a story automatically according your input. Here is our story ready. You must check carefully the character's appearance and full storyboard. Our storyline will be depend on this stage. Now you can click Create the Story button. Now select format you want. You can make vertical short story by selecting vertical format. I am selecting horizontal format as I want to make a story video for YouTube. You will find 12 visual style. Here you will need to select anime or 3D anime to make your AI anime characters. I am selecting 3D anime style. After selecting 3D anime style, click on Continue to Character Creator button. This process will start building characters according our story. This process may take 3 to 5 minutes. And when your character's image generation will be completed, click on Continue to Storyboard button. Story images will be started to generate by AI, and this process will take 5 to 7 minutes too. Here our AI anime images are ready according to our story. This is our storyline. You will able to generate different story and different images will be generated by AI each time you will generate a new story. Best part of this AI is the consistent characters. Click on Export button at right top side. AI will automatically generate voiceover, subtitle, and produce a final complete video may takes 5 to 10 minutes depend on your internet speed. When export will be completed, you will able to download the video. Now let's see our AI generated anime story video. You can download the story from download button.
In the heart of Sora Town, young Sakura stumbles upon a mysterious old book tucked away in a forgotten corner. With a mischievous twinkle in his eye, Kiko springs to life from the pages of the ancient book. Kiko's antics send the townspeople into a frenzy as he dances merrily through the bustling streets. Determined and brave, Sakura leads the charge in capturing the elusive mischief maker alongside the worried townsfolk. In a moment of chaos, Kiko's playful antics inadvertently put Sakura in harm's way, his eyes widening in shock at the unintended consequences. Fear and hope mingle in Sakura's gaze as she looks up, seeking help, while Kiko's eyes reflect a dawning realization of the trouble he has caused. With a surprising gesture of kindness, Kiko extends a helping hand, working together with Sakura to escape the looming danger. Heads bent in earnest conversation, Sakura and Kiko plot a daring scheme to capture the mischievous monkey and bring an
How
end
was
to
that?
his chaos.
Write in comment section.
Sitting
And let's
side by
generate a new
side,
story
Sakura
to make you
gazes
clear
at
about the
once
capacity of this
troublesome
AI.
Kiko, a sense of
Doing the
fondness
same
in her
process
eyes
again.
as she reflects on the journey
Until
of
now, if you have
discovery
any
they
confusion,
shared.
you can ask me on comment section. I will answer all comments one by one. And if you found our video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Your story will depend on this input. So it is very important part. And here you can choose any style, but if you want to anime, you have to select anime or 3D anime style. Here our new AI anime story generation started. If you have any question you can ask on comment section. Here is story images. Let's export the video.
Deep in the heart of Avaloria, Lily comes across a hidden clearing where a talking book beckons her with promises of boundless knowledge. Lily's eyes widen with wonder as she tentatively reaches out to touch the ethereal pages that seem to pulse with secrets untold. With a resolute whisper, Lily envisions her brother, known for his unruly curls, struggling to balance on a bike in the meadow beyond. The bike springs to life, its wheels spinning with a mischievous gleam as Max's eyes widen in amazement at the unexpected turn of events. Laughter turns to worry as Lily's sister, a brave soul with twinkling eyes, rushes to Max's aid, her pigtails trailing behind in the wind. With a fierce resolve, Emma struggles to regain control, her heart pounding as she faces the unexpected challenge high above the treetops. With a flash of light, Lily soars into the sky, her wings beating against the air as she realizes the consequences of her magical intervention. The siblings join forces, their bond strengthening as they devise a courageous scheme to bring Lily back to solid ground.
I think this story is
their
better
hearts
than
beating
previous
as
story.
one.
What is opinion?
With
Now I will
synchronized
show what you
movements,
watched at first
Max
part in
and
this
Emma
video.
navigate the challenges ahead.
Click on Video
Their
Studio
trust in
from
each
left
other
menu,
unwavering
and then
as they
click on
prove the
Create
power
New
of
Video from
teamwork in the
Scratch
face of
button.
adversity.
You will be redirected to Video Studio's dashboard. To upload image, click on Upload button and then click on Browse button and upload your image what you want to talk. I previously saved an image from Storyboard and uploaded earlier, now selecting it. AI will automatically detect face and add a microphone to add voiceover for that character. You will find a box named Enter Dialogue, where you will need to write text what you want your character to tell. I used ChatGPT to write a script and copied a part of that text. Going back to Video Studio and pasting the text to Enter Dialog box. You can write whatever you want. You can hear preview of voiceover.
So you are really want to learn how to make AI anime story? Anime has captivated audiences worldwide.
You
with
can
its
change
vibrant
voiceover from
characters,
left
intricate
side at All
plots, and
Voices
stunning
button and can be
visuals.
selected available
Now, with
voiceover, or
advancements
even
in
you can
AI
upload your own
technology,
voice here.
creators have a new tool at their disposal to unleash their creativity and craft anime stories like never before. In today's digital age, the possibilities are endless. From creating your own unique characters to crafting immersive worlds, AI empowers storytellers to push the boundaries of creativity and bring their visions to life.
To see the
Our
animation
mission
after
today
adding
is to
voiceover,
explore the
you need to click
step-by-step
Export and
process of
Animate
making
button.
AI anime stories, from conceptualization to realization.
Give a title of your video and click on Export Video button. And this process also takes few minutes. After few minutes, you will find your AI anime avatar video is ready. You will able to download the video. And at the beginning of this video, a girl explaining, "You saw, I made that this way." You can also make it. And upload your video to YouTube or any social media you want to start earning money online. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay connected.